Hi guys, Mark from Fit Plus Well here.
And Jay from Altitude Fitness and Health. And today we're here to present you a series of videos on how to use a foam roller properly.
Foam rollers are an excellent tool for improving your flexibility and mobility and great for reducing muscle soreness after exercise.
So let's get started.
The following video is the self-myofascial release technique for your quadriceps. Start by placing the foam roller at the top of the quadriceps just beneath the front of your hip bone. Apply your body weight for approximately 10 seconds and relax for 2 seconds by removing your body weight. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Slowly introduce some shearing movements by moving your body and lengthening the tissue by bending your knee and moving your hip and knee in different positions. Move the roller to a new position above your knee and repeat the same process. Continue with this method on any areas of restriction, tightness or tenderness you find along the front of the quadriceps muscles. The following video is a technique for releasing the IT band. Do not roll the IT band, instead apply compression-like techniques using your body weight. Start a few inches above the knee and apply gentle body weight compression for approximately 5 to 10 seconds and releasing for 2 seconds. Progress by varying the pressure you apply. Repeat this process 10 times. If it is too painful, stop or add some cushioning to the roller with a towel or something similar. Move the roller to the top of the hip and repeat the same process. Find other areas of tenderness along the outside of the leg. You can progress from compression to small, gentle, rocking or rolling movements to areas of restriction or above and below these areas of tenderness. The following video is a technique for releasing your calf muscles. Start using the foam roller, but you might want to progress to massage balls for more effectiveness. Cross your legs and apply downward pressure into the roller. Try shearing-like movements on the roller for deeper releases. Progress to high-density massage balls for more specific work. Apply massage and movement along the length of the Achilles tendon into the calf muscle, stalling on areas of increased tenderness. The following video is a self-myofascial release technique for your neck using a foam roller. Start by placing the foam roller behind the neck, allowing your neck to relax onto the roller. Bend your knees for stability and comfort. Secure the roller at both ends with your hands and slowly rotate your neck from side to side, making note of any areas of increased tenderness. Focus on any isolated areas of tenderness and apply gentle, rhythmic movements and pressure to these areas. Typical areas of tightness are behind the ears. Having a firm grip of the roller, gently traction the base of the skull by tucking your chin into your chest and apply gentle pulsing movements in this position. The following video is a self-myofascial release technique for the shoulder using massage balls. Standing to the side of a door frame, place the massage ball between the wall and the top of your shoulder. Apply pressure with your shoulder against the ball. Bring your chin to your chest and hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Repeat this 10 times. Advance by keeping your chin tucked to your chest and move the opposite ear to the opposite shoulder, holding for 2 to 3 seconds and repeating 10 times. The following video is a self-myofascial release technique for low back using the foam roller. Lying on your side, place the roller between the top of your hips and lower ribs. Allow the roller to slowly sink into the tissue. Use your elbow of the same side you are working on as support. Progress when you feel comfortable to do so by coming off your elbow and moving your arm upwards. Introduce small rotation movements on the roller. If you need to target other areas, do so by moving your body position. By lying on your side, it removes the risk of working deep into the spine. Progress by bending your right knee for support, lift your pelvis slightly off the ground, and perform small rolling actions on the roller, maintaining support through your elbow and bent knee. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. The following video is a self-myofascial release for upper back and backs of your shoulders using massage balls. Tie 2 massage balls in a sock as shown. Lying on your back with feet on the ground, place the 2 balls in between your shoulders. Wrap your arms around you and try and maintain a straight neck. Move your body by applying downward pressure on the balls, finding areas of restriction, and slowly massage these tender points for 5 to 10 seconds and resting for 2 seconds. Move your body up and down, finding new areas to work on. The following video is a self-myofascial release for the upper neck and base of the skull with massage balls. Lying on your back with your knees bent, place 2 massage balls side by side at the base of the skull. Rest on the balls for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, letting go of any tension. Progress by stabilizing the balls with both hands. Tuck your chin towards your chest and do small movements up and down and from side to side, releasing tight, tender spots. The following video is a self-myofascial release of your lats with the foam roller and massage ball. Lying on your side, place the foam roller at the back and side of the shoulder. Allow your body weight to rest into the roller and give time for the tissue to relax. Introduce slow movements with your arm and stay on any tender points. Apply downward pressure for 5 to 10 seconds and repeat until the tenderness reduces. Slowly rock your body on the roller and introduce small rolling actions on tighter bands of tissue. You can advance this exercise with the massage ball by finding the tender points and applying a downward pressure on the ball. Hold for 10 seconds, rest for 2 seconds, and repeat 5 to 10 times. The following video is a self-myofascial release technique and mobilization of your mid-back or thoracic spine. Start by placing the foam roller across your lower middle back or spine. Maintain a straight neck and spine by supporting your neck with your hands behind your head. Keep your feet and hips on the floor. Slowly bend backwards, extending your spine, applying gentle pulsing movements for 2 to 3 seconds. If you need to add more pressure, lift your hips off the ground. Repeat at the same level, but this time rock from side to side on the roller. Advance by moving the roller up to the next level in the spine by moving your body downwards. Repeat the same process until you reach the top of your back, but do not go as far as the neck. The following video is self-myofascial release for the pectoral girdle using a foam roller. Position a massage ball or a small foam roller in the vertical position between the front of the shoulder and chest. Move your arm behind your back. Support yourself with the opposite hand and gently roll into the tissue for 10 seconds. Rest for 2 seconds and repeat 10 times. Advance by moving the opposite arm behind your back and apply downward pressure and rolling into the foam roller. The following video is a self-myofascial release for the pectoral girdle standing with massage balls. Standing at a slight angle facing a wall, place a massage ball at the front of your shoulder against the wall. Apply pressure against the ball and roll into the tissue for 5 to 10 seconds. Rest for 2 seconds and repeat 10 times. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. The following video is a self-myofascial release for the lower leg using massage balls. Place the massage ball on the inside of your shin and apply downward pressure with both of your hands. Maintaining the pressure, move the ball with very small rhythmic motions on the tender spots. Introduce some movements with your foot and ankle. Move to the outside of the leg, place your foot on a chair and repeat the same process, gently moving down the length of the tissue to above the ankle. The following video is a self-myofascial release for your adductors or the muscles inside of the upper leg. Place the roller on a firm surface such as a table. Place the inside of your upper leg onto the roller and starting above the knee, apply a downward pressure onto the roller. Move your leg in different directions with a shearing-like motion on the foam roller. When it feels like the tightness and restrictions have eased, move further up the leg, repeating the same process. Use a chair for support if required. The following video is a self-myofascial release for your hips and glutes using massage balls. Position a massage ball on the outside of your hip. Apply a downward pressure by moving your leg towards the ground. Hold for 10 seconds, introducing small movements and release for 2 seconds. Repeat this 10 times. Continue to mobilize this region by moving the ball closer to your midline and repeat the same process. Move into a sideline position and place the ball at the top of the hip. Once you have found the tender spots, apply a gentle downward pressure with small movements, holding for 5 to 10 seconds, resting for 2 seconds. Self-myofascial release of the hamstrings with the foam roller. Place the roller at the back of the leg and apply a downwards pressure onto the roller. Apply small deep movements to release tight adhesions. Using your arms for support, lift your hips off the ground, and this will allow you to work deeper into the tissue. Move your body and apply shearing-like motions on the roller. Self-myofascial release of the hamstrings using massage balls. Seated on a chair, use 1 or 2 balls to allow for deeper releases within the hamstrings. Apply downwards pressure on the balls, introducing movement to release tight adhesions. You can use 1 ball when you have found more tender areas and apply the same downward twisting-like motions to release this tightness. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, these videos are intended as a guide only, and you should seek professional advice for any injuries of concern.
But for more information and more tutoring videos, please check the links below.